Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. I have a product review today and let's just jump right in. My husband's shocked that I'm doing this video with my hair all wet, not fixed, but I told him it's fine. It's fine because everyone knows that like my hair in the videos does not start out like that. So I have this travel hair dryer today that I'm doing a product review on. It's from Slopehill. It's a 1500 watt dual voltage hair dryer. So if you travel, or if you're traveling abroad, if you're in the US or if you're in Europe and you're traveling over here, you'll be able to use this travel hair dryer either place because it has a little adapter in there. So we're just going to take everything out of the box and I'm going to dry part of my hair and then we will have a review. All right, so in the box is the hair dryer, and this does say please remove before first use. Obviously I haven't unwrapped this at all because, well, it still had the paper on it. Okay, this was that wasn't easy to get off. And then it does come with a nice little carrying case. So if you are going to put this in your suitcase or whatever for traveling, and here is the adapter. So you can see it does convert to that European style plug. And then the plug on the dryer itself is just the, the US version. I don't know exactly what that is. I'm sure it's not US and European, but whatever. All right. And then, oh, there's more packaging. So the cord has a nice little Velcro strap around it, so you can get your cord wrapped back up when you're not using it or when you're done with it. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. There are a couple attachments too with it. One of them is this really nice and large diffuser, and that's what I'm going to use today. I haven't used a diffuser on my hair, and I don't even know how long. But we're going to use it today. And then we also have this like smaller adapter, which is, I think that's actually a diffuser too, but it's like a different style. So it's like, point diffusing and not instead of spreading it out. So we're going to see if we get more volume with the diffuser here. Oh, that's really nice, actually. It's like a magnet, so it just clips onto space. Now there are two settings, low and high. And then there's also a little button up here for like cold blast. So you have cold, low, medium, and high for the different heat settings. Hopefully you could hear that because that was kind of noisy, wasn't it? All right, so this is where you learn my age because I am a Gen X girl and we blow dry our hair upside down. So let's get to it. I just want you to see the, hang on. I want you to see the difference. So you saw the diffuser first. I took the diffuser off and I put this little point, I don't know, diffuser on. And I just want you to see the difference in just the amount of airflow and the wind speed on this. So this is crazy. I was actually like, whoa, shocked. I'm blown away. Huh? You can kind of tell, like that's a lot of air. Right? That's not. And I have really thick hair, and I have a lot of hair. It usually takes me about 15 minutes to dry my hair, but I think that this is going to be a lot faster. So, all right, I'm going to continue drying. Now that I've used this awesome little hair dryer, let me give you my honest take. I originally thought I would just throw this in my travel bag and leave it there because it's a nice little size for travel and it does have the two attachments that will come in handy when you're traveling as well. And let's be honest, there have been a few times that I've been staying in a hotel or a VRBO and you can't find the hair dryer or the hair dryer they provide you is less than ideal. So I thought this would be great, just throw in my bag, take with me, and then I'll always have one in my bag in case I forget and I don't want to pack up my big one. But now that I've used it, I don't know. I am very tempted to start using this just as my daily hair dryer because it has a lot of power and I actually love the attachments. I love how the attachments are magnetic, so they just clip right on and off and it really does hold in place. So like I'm kind of tugging on that a lot, and it's not coming off, and it really did help my hair, help me get some fullness into my hair, and I really like it. So yeah, if you're looking for an amazing little travel hair dryer, or maybe just a replacement for your home hair dryer, check out Slopehill's Travel Hair Dryer, because it really packs a punch and I love it. I love the dual settings. I love the different heat settings. All of that is great, and I honestly am surprised at how much I like this dryer. So yeah, check it out. And until next time, find joy in all you do. Carve out some time for crafting and creating, and remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.